Every single day, people make small, invisible financial mistakes that quietly drain their wealth. It's not about earning too little, it's about leaking money through habits that feel normal. By the end of this video, you'll know the 5 daily money habits that are silently keeping you broke and how to break each one before it costs you your financial future. Welcome to WealthFlow Studio, where we turn smart financial thinking into simple, actionable strategies. In today's video, we'll uncover the hidden psychology behind why most people stay broke even when they earn more, the real impact of small daily money leaks, and 5 practical habits that can completely change your financial direction. Let's get right into it. Habit 1. Lifestyle creep. Spending more as you earn more. It's called lifestyle inflation, and it's one of the biggest wealth killers today. When income rises, so do expenses. A nicer car, a bigger apartment, more dining out. It feels like progress, but your savings rate stays flat. According to the Federal Reserve, nearly 60% of Americans still can't cover a $1,000 emergency, even as median income has grown for years. The same trend exists across the UK and Canada. Higher wages, but the same money stress. The key issue is psychological. When we make more, we subconsciously justify spending more. It feels like we deserve it. But wealth doesn't come from what you earn, it comes from what you keep. Action tip. When you get a raise, split it in half. Save or invest 50% and enjoy the rest guilt-free. This lets your lifestyle improve slowly while your wealth accelerates in the background. Habit 2. Emotional spending. Buying to feel better. We've all been there. A stressful week leads to a small treat, a coffee, new clothes, or that random gadget you didn't need. This is emotional spending, using money to manage feelings. On average, people in North America make 3 to 5 impulse purchases per week, often triggered by stress, boredom, or social media. Each purchase feels small, but over time, it can drain thousands per year. Action tip. Before every non-essential purchase, pause and ask, is this a need or a mood? Then wait 24 hours before buying. You'll be amazed how often the desire disappears and your balance doesn't. Habit 3. The subscription trap. Death by 1,000 cuts. This one's sneaky. Subscriptions are designed to be forgotten. Streaming, apps, cloud storage, fitness, each one feels affordable. But in total, the average North American household now pays for more than 10 recurring services each month. The problem isn't the price, it's the invisibility. These silent expenses add up to over $1,200 a year for the typical user, often without delivering equivalent value. Action tip. Do a subscription audit once every quarter. Check your bank statement, find the auto-renews, and cancel anything you haven't used in 30 days. Even pausing unused services can save you hundreds instantly. Habit 4. Waiting too long to invest. This habit doesn't cost you dollars, it costs you time, which is worth far more. Many people say, I'll start investing when I make more money. But the truth is, waiting is one of the most expensive mistakes you can make. Let's do the math. If you invest $200 a month starting at 25, earning 7% annually, you could have roughly $500,000 by age 65. Wait just 10 years, start at 35, you'll have less than half, about $240,000. That's the cost of procrastination. Action tip. Start small, even if it's just $25 a week. Use tax-advantaged accounts, like a 401k in the US, an ISA in the UK, or an RRSP in Canada. Consistency beats timing every time. Habit 5. Living without a plan. No budget, no direction. You can't control what you don't track, and most people don't actually know where their money goes each month. They rely on memory, not measurement, and that's why budgets fail. Budgeting isn't about restriction, it's about clarity. It gives your money direction instead of letting it drift. Think of it like a GPS for your financials. It helps you steer before you crash. Example. Someone earning $60,000 a year who saves just 10% consistently, that's $500 per month, will have $500,000 in 30 years at modest returns. Without a plan, that money vanishes into random spending. Action tip: use modern budgeting tools like YNAB, Mint, or Monarch Money to automate tracking. Review weekly, not monthly. Weekly reviews keep you accountable before habits spiral out of control. Let's recap the 5 money habits keeping people broke. Lifestyle creep, spending rises with income. Emotional spending, buying feelings instead of value. Subscription traps, invisible costs that stack up. Delayed investing, losing time to fear or indecision. And no budget, letting money flow without direction. Each one seems harmless, but together they quietly block your wealth-building potential. The good news is you can fix every one of these with awareness and consistency. Wealth isn't built overnight. It's built by mastering daily money behavior. A higher-level mindset tip. Here's a mindset shift that changes everything. You don't have to earn more to build wealth. You have to leak less. Wealth starts when you treat every dollar as a worker. If you direct your money with intention, it will work for you 24/7, even while you sleep. If you found this video helpful, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. It tells the algorithm you value smart finance content. Comment below, which of these 5 habits do you struggle with the most? Tomorrow's video will cover how to build an emergency fund fast, even on a tight budget. Don't miss it. And remember, this video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. Always consult a qualified professional before making major financial decisions.